Welcome to ChatGPT Tips. Today I'm going to show you this incredible way to use ChatGPT to either land your dream job, or get a second job, or maybe just a promotion. As you know, AI is taking over all facets of our lives, including how companies are hiring people. I'm going to walk you through a 4-step process that will get you an ideal resume and cover letter, and a special bonus tip at the end of this video that may be a huge game changer. So take these tips and run with them, and be sure to stick around till the end for the bonus tip, which is actually a way to fool the company's AI, if they're using one, into picking your resume over other people's. As always, if you feel like you got some value from this video, please like and subscribe. And with that, let's get into it. To get started, follow these 4 simple steps. Step 1. Feed ChatGPT the company's About Us page. This will help the AI understand the company's mission and values, and enable it to generate content that aligns with the company culture. Step 2. Feed ChatGPT the job ad you're applying for. This will allow the AI to tailor your resume and cover letter to the specific requirements of the job. Step 3. Have ChatGPT generate a custom resume for that specific job at that specific company. This will ensure that your resume highlights your most relevant skills and experiences. Step 4. With that resume, have ChatGPT generate a specific cover letter for that specific company. This will demonstrate your interest in the company and show that you've done your research. Bonus tip: have ChatGPT add in keywords or credentials relevant to the job, but change the font color to white. The AI at the company that scans resumes will pick up the hidden words and put you at the top of the pile. But when it's viewed by a person, it'll be hidden. Stick with us here at ChatGPT Tips. We have new videos coming out all the time. Have a great day.